welcome to SFN Design, my YouTube channel. Today we're doing another site teardown. We're going to look at the Willoughby Book Club today. And as always, we're looking for three things. Let me just check my notes. We are looking for a recent design, we are looking for content that's going to engage the readers, and we're going to look at a clear call to action for the site. So looking at the Willoughby Book Club, the first thing that I want to comment on is the slider. So they've got a slider here, just got funny. So it got funny, so it doesn't actually work on my iPad Pro, which is what we're recording the screen portion of this on. So that's something to look at, but number one, sliders, they suck. They suck because most people don't even look at them. I think it's one of the stats. The stats are something like 98% of people never look at sliders. And out of those people, those 2% that do, 99% of people look at the first page. That's it. They look at the first slide. They don't care about anything else. So the slider is a waste of time. The thing that a slider is good for is if you're a web developer or your boss says, hey, we have to have 12 things on the homepage, and say, look, it's in the slider. So that's what it's good for. And after that, content. So they've got, and they got a bunch of stuff here. They have some stuff about how it works, how do I get it, reviews, book aids, a bunch of stuff. So there's a bit of content here, and we'll dig deeper into that in a second. And the other thing that they have is the clear call to action. They've got like eight call to actions here. They don't have one clear, solid call to action, which is really what you want in your membership site. You want one clear, solid call to action. Your one product, your one thing, hey, book a call if you're a coach. If you're, you want to say, hey, book a call or check out our free class, check out this, and like really, bring people into it. They've got some stuff here like as sold by Virgin, Red Letter Days, not on High Street, Argos. This is a British company, I would guess, based on how it's spelled, and it's not .co.uk, British. So really, and there's not a clear call to action here. If I'm looking at this as a customer, I have to dig into, so what's the book subscription page? All book subscription gifts. So I can click on that, and then there's like another 20 options, right? 0 to 12 months, 1 to 3 years, 4 to 12 years, 13 plus. The Bespoke Book Club, bespoke for us North Americans, is like a custom. So I don't know there, really, and they need a better single call to action on here, really, that says, try out this. Here's what it is. Here's a video about what our book club is and what it's going to bring to you. So even if let's click on the Toddler Book Club. Toddler Book Club 1 to 3 years is a fairly standard purchase. This page, that's it, with some pictures of books. There's no, even the add to cart button is just like a standard button in Firefox. It's not spectacular, it's not clear, it's not bold, there's nothing to it. So you want that, you want a clear, bold button. You want it to be a clear message that you can purchase something and here's how you do it. Then content, so let's take a look around at their content. Let's maybe hit press, and see what press has for us. Nobody cares about the press on this site. It's just a bunch of links to The Guardian and papers, great, but your readers don't care. They're not going to do it. Your people do not care about this. Reviews, let's see what reviews has. Again, nobody cares about this. It's a bunch of stars and text. No one's going to read all this text. Don't worry about it. Throw some images in there. You're more likely to get some. If you can have images of the people or icons, stuff like that, then your reviews are going to come through better. A video review is even better for your membership site if you can have that. But this is, yeah, it's okay. I don't know what else to say. How does it work, right? We're looking around at their content. And again, lots of text, and there's no padding on the side of the iPad. You'll see this when you look at it. There's no padding on the sides, so it is just not, it's just not stellar. There's a bunch of things that they could do. First off, they need a strong call to action on it for a trial or for something. They need a really strong call to action. They need to improve their mobile styling because it's not great. And they need to do some sort of other content, I would say. I don't see anything on here that is content at all. And they have some affiliate stuff, but there's no like, hey, here's a blog, here's some books that we're recommending. Hey, we just sent out this package to our people, and here's what was in it, and here's what people liked about it. And that's the type of stuff you need if you want to keep bringing in people, right? If you want to bring in new members to your site, you need to have that clear call to action, content that's going to engage them, and a reasonably decent design. Overall, the design's actually not bad. Like I said, there's some mobile issues, which I brought up, but overall, the design is decent. It's clean, it's basic, that's fine. Clean and basic is better than like fancy and ugly, so go for clean and basic if that's all you got. Thanks for watching. If you need your membership site done, if you need help getting it marketed well, and you need help having it work, check out sfndesign.ca. or shoot me an email, curtis@curtismchale.ca, and just say you want in the subject line you want to talk about membership sites. Have a wonderful day.